Okay, my beautiful people out there, all the leatherworkers and the arts and crafty people. I have gotten a very exciting package here from leatherstamptools.com. It's a custom stamp that I ordered, and this is unopened. So let's open it and take a look at how it fares. I can tell you this guy at Leather Stamp Tools that I talked to, I sent him a private message. His name is Sergey. I'm sorry, dude, if I fail to pronounce it properly, but yeah, I give it a try. Very nice guy, very easy to have anything to do with, and it's been a very smooth process. So I paid $77 for this. That includes the shipping to Sweden, where I am currently at. Oh, this is noisy. Hope you enjoy this. I am so excited about this. This is the first time I'll see it, the same time as you do. So let's see. Oh, nice. So we have the stamp here. Leather Stamp Tools is engraved.com. That's very sweet. Now, I want to prolong this opening as much as possible, but I guess there's nothing to it. There it is. Oh yeah. Okay. This looks beautiful. I am very impressed. I don't have much experience of this at all, actually. I haven't ordered any custom stamps from anybody. But this is super. It's heavy, it's super rugged, and it looks so clean. Well done, Sergey. I'm very, very happy about this. This is a super, super nice buy. Very well done. So I thought we should try it together for the first time. I have a piece of untreated leather here. I'm gonna dip it in water, which I have off camera because I don't want to mess with that shit here. And just make it a little wet. There we go. And if you hear any weird noises in the background of the camera, I have both my dogs here and my colleagues coming in and out of the door. So yeah, so we have it here. Might be a little bit too, no, I think it's okay. I have my trusty club, and I have this. I'm probably gonna use a proper stamp, like a press for this in the future, but if this works, that would be wonderful. Okay, let's do this. And there we have it, my ladies and gentlemen. That is super clean. I can read every letter. Wow. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I'm so very, very happy with this. This is amazing. Take a look at that. Oh, it can't look any more professional. The Leathercraft in Sweden, the smallest, absolute smallest text is so easy to read. I am very, very, very happy with this. I can definitely recommend Sergey Niskromny at leatherstamptools.com. I did not get this for free. I ordered it just like anybody else. Of a tip I saw on one of the leather Facebook groups. I'm so impressed. Holy hell! Look at this, guys. And this is a small stamp. It's 3. Let me get a ruler. It's 3 centimeters, which is spot on what I ordered. 3 centimeters times 2. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, super happy, super stoked. You're gonna see this stamp a lot in my future work. I hope you have a good day out there. Thank you, guys.